Hi guys, I'm Venkatesh. I'm currently working in Qualcomm. I started this doing social service activities from my college days itself. Basically, I graduated from IIT Tirupati. Like hey man, I need to help then. And even we are good, we are blessed basically, and even though we are complaining about ourselves, then I realized, so let's start something for them. Like it's about consistency important. Like we have to don't sacrifice on our lives. We can we can do whatever we want to do, like, our job, our our
Whatever,
personal
we
life,
want to do.
movies, like anything we can enjoy. But parallelly, we have to take care about all living creatures. Like it's not about only human beings. It's about dogs. It's about cows. It's about every creature. We need to give them means how we enjoy it. Same similar way how to give them the same enjoy.
Great.
So like this I'm doing for 4 years. We do cremations, we do medical health, we pay for the school fees of orphan kids, like so many things. Like it's kind of unreached organization, but we have a proper team, like supporting like Pradeep and all those things. Like so many people from our classmate mail.
Our food is ready, and all credit is going to him, Venkat. So we are ready for distribution. Like we have packed the food and plates and all, and we are now leaving for the site, like where we will distribute the entire food. So we are heading towards. He's Dharminder. He's picking the food. It's really heavy. Yeah, कर लेगा. चलिए अब. Yes.
इसको यहाँ पे फिर वापस गया.
अच्छा
अरे don't worry about this. We don't have to resolve the disputes. हमें भाई कोर्ट में नहीं ले जाना इनको. चलो उधर चलते हैं. अरे उसको डिफेंड करते हैं. इसके लिए रख दो, मैं उसको डिफेंड करता हूँ.
हाँ
आ जाओ.
हाँ, that is better.
रखो. स्टॉप दैट बॉय. इसके लिए घेरा बना लेते हैं. आजा. How? अभी fourth dog we have feed it and it's going on. Guys are really motivated, highly motivated.
Yeah, man. Yeah, dog is there. The dog is feeling. Hey, don't worry. See, one more can be we can start right this way. Hey, you will get.
रखते
Hey, I will give. Go there.
इसको डाल दो.
Go there. Go. Yeah.
डालो. और डाल दो उसको. भूख के और डाल दो. धर्मेंद्र. This is a
खत्म हो गया.
personal debates. We are not involved in that. We are not here to solve the issues.
I think it completed or not completed?
हेलो गाइस, आज हमने एक एक्टिविटी परफॉर्म करी, फीडिंग द स्ट्रीट डॉग्स, जिसमें हमारे जो साथी हैं वेंकट, उन्होंने पूरा का पूरा खाना प्रिपेयर किया. एटलीस्ट लाइक 10 to 15 डॉग्स हमने आज
15
सर्व
dogs we
किए,
fed.
बट हमारे पास प्लेट्स कम पड़ गए। हम थोड़ा एक्सपेरिमेंटल लेवल पे गए थे कि कम प्लेट्स हैं, देखते हैं क्या रिस्पॉन्स आता है। हमें पता भी नहीं था कि डॉग्स को क्या फूड पसंद है। हमने रिसर्च करी और सारा का सारा खाना वगैरह इन्होंने प्रिपेयर किया। हमने बस फिजिकल सपोर्ट किया, मैं और मेरे फ्रेंड्स कुछ आ रखे हैं हम लोग, तो धर्मेंद्र, नितिका, तो दे ऑल्सो केम टू जॉइन दिस एक्टिविटी। और बहुत अच्छा लगा। इस वीडियो के अंदर आप देखना कि कैसे हमने फीड किया। तो दिस एक्टिविटी आप कोई भी कर सकता है। इट्स वेरी नॉर्मल, वेरी मिनिमल प्राइस, बट इट्स अ लाइक प्राइसलेस अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर एवरीवन टू कंट्रीब्यूट इन दिस मिशन। लाइक दिस गाय इज एन इंस्पिरेशन फॉर ऑल द सोशल सर्विसेज। यू विल प्लीज चेक आउट हिज Instagram page. You will see a lot of thing he is doing selflessly without any like rewards. Say that.
No, it's about not about even expenses. It's about like physical support we require. Like expenses doesn't matter. I never worry about money. We require the physical support. Like today, I can say without these guys, this mission would be like incomplete. I can say because I have like afraid of dogs and to carry all these things. It requires the physical support. Like money doesn't matter because for myself, I'm really right. I'm ready to put my pocket because I'm earning so much. Like means earning so much in sense satisfied with my money. So money doesn't matter for me. Just I need a physical support. Like if anyone want to come.